everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Super Saturday video and it is partially sponsored by skinstore.com. Since this month is Cancer Awareness Month, I thought we would look at some sunscreens and some self-tanners because, you know, the sun is like the worst thing for your skin. I mean, the vitamin D part of it's good, so you can get a little bit, but you want to wear a sunscreen. So anyways, I self-tan all the time, and this is the one that I'm using. I got this from skinstore.com, and I love it. I got a couple of them. I got this one, which is double dark. These are both express tans. And this one is ultra dark. The ultra dark is darker. It took me a while to figure it out, but I had my husband try this, and I will put a little clip. I'm going to put a clip up here of all the stuff I got from skinstore.com, and I'll just leave that up there as I talk about them. And then right now I'm going to put a little clip right up here of my husband putting this one on. I don't think this one's quite as dark. I haven't tried this one because I only had a couple of weeks. So, but I did think it was good. And actually, it shows a little... If you leave it on for this long, I don't know if you guys can see that. If you leave it on for like 1 hour, you get this dark, 2 hours this dark, 3 hours this dark. So, and to me, and this one has it too, it's the other way. See, this one, it goes this way, but when I look at them, they look the same. So, but this one is darker. I have tried it, and I've tried it up against this one, and this one is darker. So this is the one that I'm using, and then I will probably use this one too when this one runs out. This is the, I guess I could tell you what they are, huh? This is the Mind Tan, and I like them. I really, really like this one. Like I said, I haven't tried this one. My husband tried it and went golfing, and I mean, he's tan, so it must have worked. He wanted to hide his white legs because he hasn't been out in the sun since last summer. Anyways, I love the color of this one. It is not so orange. It has more of a red tint to it, and I like that a lot. To me, when it goes on like a milk chocolate color, and then when you rinse it off, it just doesn't have the orange. So this one, I have used it twice, and I really, really love it. And I'm sure I will really, really love this one too. And then I had my husband try this one. I haven't been out in the sun since I got these. It's like rainy and cold. I don't know what's up with the weather. But anyways, this is the Zelens Body Defense Sunscreen Broad Spectrum 30, and it is an oil. So I thought, well, that'll go perfect with these, because these all tanners, self-tanners, tend to dry your skin out. So I thought, ooh, get SPF 30, and it's an oil. That's great. So anyways, I had him use it, and it was actually hot that day. He didn't look burned to me because he always gets really burned on the back of his neck. And so I thought, you need to use this. So I had him use it, and he liked it just fine. And today, we're going to do a get ready with me here in just a minute, and I am going to try this one. This is the Colorscience Sunforgettable Total Protection Face Shield. So I'm going to put this on under my makeup just to see how it goes under makeup, because there's no sun today, but we're going to test it out anyways. So let's get started. And those are, and then I got one more product from them, this one. And I tried this one once, but I can't really tell you if it works, because this is a Gradual tanner, and I had seen another Instagrammer who said they use this to continue the tan, and I used it once, but I already had tanner on, so I really couldn't tell a difference. And this, it's clear, and it comes out in a white foam. So it's not my favorite because it doesn't have a color guard in it, so you can see where it's been. But as far as like putting it on to keep your tan good, that sounds like a good idea. That's why I did it. But like I said, I only did it the one time. So let's move on to this. This is Colorscience Face Shield. And I haven't even opened this one. I was going to, but like I said, there's been no sun. So let's see what it says to do. I guess I could just use glasses. And as you can see, I just washed my hair. So I will be fixing my hair after I finish making this video. This is an SPF 50, this face one. Okay. Shake well before use. Apply liberally and evenly to face, neck, and décolletage. It is active ingredient is zinc oxide, 12%. So I thought it said it was mineral. Oh yeah, it's 100% mineral protection from environmental aggressors such as UVB pollution, blue light, and ooh, I should have been using it for blue light. Didn't even know that. I didn't even really know you needed protection from blue light, but I guess you do. So anyways, shake it up. And I'm just going to put some on my finger. Ooh, it's got a little bit of a tint. Not really, but hopefully it goes on not so white. Because, well, it's going under anyways. Oh. I'm mostly just going to get it in my T-zone. Because that's where, well, no, I guess you need it all over, huh? Oh, I can see why it's a 50. It's kind of thick. But it's rubbing in nicely. It's not sitting on top. But that wasn't enough. Okay, my hair is definitely in the way. All right, yeah, it completely soaked in, so that's great. It should go under my... I'm using a tinted moisturizer today because our get ready with me look is this is like legitimately what I would wear like if we were going to the lake or something. And I just wanted to have something on like for when you first get there. So I like this. I will be using it all summer long. And I'm also going to be, we're going to be using our Nars tinted moisturizer. And it's a little bit light for me. So I'm going to put it on the palette. And then I've got these Pro Foundation Mixer from NYX. I'm just going to put one little drop in there to make it just the tiniest bit darker. See, one drop. In fact, I'm gonna do that. Probably should wipe that off. I've never used these. I've had them forever. So see how much I put in there? That one little drop. And now we're going to mix it up. And I'm just using one of those things that people that paint use. Paint spatula. Like oil paints. It looks good. That color. Base. Where's my base? There. So, let's go. I'm just going to put that right there. No need to waste it. Although I probably have way too much. Spread it around with my fingers. I just put this tanning on today too. So let's see if it matches my tan. Looks like it does. I always feel better when I have a tan. Even though tanning's bad. Which is why I don't actually, but I did most of my life. I'm from California. So I need to get in these corners up here, and that's enough. Okay, I'm going to take my sponge and even this out. All right, now I'm going to go in with some concealer, because I would use concealer. Just a little bit though. Okay, I use all the concealer. What can I say? I just can't do it. And yeah, I would definitely really wear this much makeup to the lake. I would. Chemical-free, active, 100% mineral water, sweat resistant, 40 minutes. Yes. So, if you get it wet, it will resist for 40 minutes. And then put more on. So, okay. Moving on. From here, I would put my powder on. Set this in place. This is my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores. And then I would put on my bronzer, and that's probably all I'm going to do is put on bronzer and eyebrows. I know, I may put on highlighter. I sometimes can't resist. So I just grab my bronzer. This is my Bobbi Brown Natural. Some color going on real quick. Okay, so I would use this a little bit. It won't last though, but it makes me feel better. All right, that's it. I wouldn't put anything on my, well, I might take this, it's just got a little bit of powder in it, just to set that I put on my lid, that concealer. And then I'm going to do my brows. I am going to use my Benefit Cabrow. Yeah, it is Benefit, because it is like semi-waterproof, even though I just said I wasn't use waterproof. But I definitely, if you put eyeshadow, it's gonna go away. So I would use this. Since we're going to the lake. And I would just do this real quick. Add a little color. I used to use this all the time. And I still like it. I just have gotten to where it's like right now I like to use eyeshadow. And I would probably still do the trick with that I do with the gel, just because that stuff stays on pretty good too. All right, now I would go in with a lip, a quick lip. You know what I would use for today? I would use this Laneige. This Laneige. I took the bottle downstairs because I have this little sample up here. But it's the bomb, especially when you're going to be in the sun. So yeah, this is my quick, easy look for going to the lake if you need to put makeup on like I do to go to the lake. I mean, a lot of people go to the lake with no makeup. But since I have lashes on, I would definitely put this much makeup on. These products I got from skinstore.com are the bomb. I love the new face one. You can't feel it at all. It's a SPF 50. It's great. It doesn't show through. The makeup went over it perfectly. So, if you want to check it out, I will have everything listed below. Also, I will have a coupon code for 20% off. The 20% off does have exclusions on the site, but everything I got is in the 20% off, and a lot of other stuff too. So just if you go there and their prices are really, really good. I have a little story for you. One of the girls that I watch on Instagram was talking about a lotion that her people had recommended for her. She had asked about it and they recommended it, and she went to Amazon and bought it. She was touting the lotion really a lot, saying it was so great. And I thought, you know, and I went to Amazon to her link and it was $38. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to look at skinstore.com and see if they have it. And they do. And the exact same thing on skinstore.com is $23. So I always think Amazon's going to be the cheapest too, but it's not always. So if you're looking for any kind of product like that, you might check skinstore.com before purchasing. So anyways, I will list all the things that I use down below, and I will put a link to the store and my coupon code, which is Bentley, I don't know. I'll put it on the screen right here. I think it's either BentlyK or Bentley. So, and make sure you use it for 20% off if you're going to purchase. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave if you haven't already. And follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!